Hello, in front of me I've got iPad Air 5th generation. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's enter settings and go to Touch ID and Passcode. Now, enable iPad unlock, and your Touch ID is right here. Simply tap it multiple times. And now enter a passcode. Let's use Touch ID to unlock the tab. And now let's change the passcode. So let's enter change passcode. Enter your old passcode and go to passcode options. Now you can select between custom alphanumeric code, custom numeric code and 4-digit numeric code. Let's start with custom alphanumeric code. Confirm it. And now let's use it to unlock the tab. Now let's select custom numeric code. And now let's select 4-digit numeric code. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.